G'day all, Adam Wuiske here from Wuiske Models. It's been about 2 years since our last video and we said we'll update you soon. Well, in glacial terms, I'm going with soon. So we told you there were some big things happening, and whilst they've been happening at the speed of 1,000 spastic mud crabs because it is the 2020s, here we are. So this here, last time you saw a video of us, we were in our old layout room which was destroyed by floods. This is our new layout room. It's ever so slightly bigger. This one here, just the layout room, is 80 feet long and 40 feet wide. So this is going to be the future home of my dream layout that I've been planning since I was about 10 years old. So 34 years in the making, but we're getting there. So we've got about 15% of the track work in, or sorry, not the track work, the bench work in, and thus far we're at 3.5 tonne. So it's going to be pretty silly. So we shall see how we go. Okay, so the plan is that every couple of weeks, every month, we're going to do a video update just for you guys so that you can see what we're doing, how we're doing it, and how we're making a mess of it. But we'd like to bring you along so that you can see what we're doing and just how we go along and do these things. Along with that, we'll be showing you some of the other things because, as some of you already know, we're actually building a factory to produce our models here as well. So it should be quite interesting. But we're going to go through, there's a lot of things we've done very differently in this place. The way we've insulated the room, the way we've lined the walls and things like that. Things we've done because, well, as you can assume, when you get to this sort of size, costs go completely out the window because just quantities of materials are insane. So, as we've said before, this is the layout that Insanity built. So stick with us and we'll have some updates to show you what we're doing and how we go with it.